So check this out. On the 6th floor we have the Cyberspace Shibuya, and it's all Nintendo. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be able to record on the inside, but I can look at the outside. Check this out. They're playing Donkey Diddy Kong. Wow. This is all Nintendo. And then there's like a Pokemon center right here. Ooh. Check this out. Wow. So I got Pokemon right there. And it even says Pokemon Center. Check that out. So, if you love Pokemon, yeah, this is it. Look at all this Pokemon gear. Wow. There's a lot of Pokemon in here. Whoa. I'm gonna record it here until someone stops me. But this is the Nintendo area. This is so cool. Wow. Dude, it's like a Nintendo lover's dream. Oh, it's a me, Mario. Wow. Oh, there's a Capcom store over here as well. This is so cool. Look at that. Wow. Here we have Ryu, Hadouken, and then we also have a Shonen Jump store with One Piece right over here. Wow, check that out. Oh, that is awesome. This whole floor is just a dream for video game and anime lovers. So cool. And then we also have DBZ over here as well. A little bit of Dragon Ball Z right here. But the main thing is the Nintendo and Pokemon area. And so awesome. Nintendo Tokyo. Wow. There's Mario over here as well. Oh, yeah. The first level of Mario. Cool. And it even says Nintendo Tokyo.